Good evening, guys. This is again Michael, and today I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube account. If any one of you is inspired or wanted to be part of the YouTube community, or want to be a YouTuber or influencer, as what they call it, just like me, well, you know what? I just started my YouTube account, so in every step of the way, I'm going to show you how I did it, and that's why I am showing you right now how to create a YouTube account. So, first things first, you need to have a Google email. Google email is none other than Gmail account, guys. So, let's go ahead and create a Gmail account. Just so you know, guys, YouTube is a product of Google, which means that you need to use Gmail account for you to be able to create a YouTube account. I hope I did not confuse you. On this page, guys, this is the homepage of Google, Google Chrome. All we have to do is to click here on this side, on the upper right corner, and then go to Gmail. There's actually a lot of ways to do it. You could go to Gmail, or yeah, let's just go ahead and do it this way. It's really simple, guys. And then go to use another account. Well, that's my other email address. Obviously, that's not what we want. And create an account for myself or for your business. It's all up to you. But for this example, just for this tutorial, I'll go ahead and create for myself. Michael. So let's say Mike Ang. So let's just say Mang3136. So let's just say this is my email address that I'm about to create. Let's go ahead and create a password and then hit next. It's taken. That's insane. Okay, so Google is giving us suggestions, and Ang Mike 65. Let's go ahead and take that. Ang Mike 65. Hit next. And then use your phone number. As part of the verification, you need to put in your mobile number here. And my mobile number is there. Hit next. And once you hit the enter, you will receive the code on or via text on your mobile. 81801640. And verify. Once you have it verified, all you have to do is to click on gender, male, and then hit next. Oops, oh, birthday, sorry. So March, let's say 16, 1995. Hit next. You're good to go. So yes, I'm in, and we were able to create a Gmail account. Hit agree. Here, just click here, and then this would show you your email address. angmike65. Just copy that up, and let's go to youtube.com. Go to youtube.com. Click on sign in here on top, guys. Upper part. Sign in. It signed me up. It signed me up automatically. So when you hit sign in, guys, it should ask you to enter this email address and the password that you created. And that's it. Once you have it logged in, you start upload. Click here on this icon, hit upload, and you enjoy becoming a YouTuber. That's how easy it is, guys. So I'm sorry about this tutorial. I just started doing this tutorial stuff, and I know I'm getting better and better as I move along with my YouTube account. Um, Just pardon my English. I'm not really a good English speaker. I'm a Filipino and I speak Tagalog. So yeah, I hope you understand and you understood what I was saying, and I hope you understood all the steps that I mentioned and showed you here on this tutorial. I'll see you again on the next video, guys, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, as you can see, I only have 7 subscribers here. So I hope they subscribe and support my channel, and that's it. I'll see you on the next video.